In this English lesson 11, we are going to understand future simple tense. And I would like to describe it in a very simple word, and I'm going to help you with some exercise in the end of this video. So let's get it started. What is future simple tense? Well, future simple tense describes some kind of things that are not happened yet, but it will happen, or you would like to talk. For example, you're talking about your plan, or you're predicting that thing will happen in future. That's a future simple tense. But in simple words, things or action or any event that will occur in future. So occur like happen, right? I'm sure you are understanding. Examples: I will go to London next month. So you're talking something that is not happened, the travel you will do in the next month, upcoming month. So that's how we can say future simple tense. She and I study together at the university. Still, we are in a college or high school, but when we attend university, we wish to do together, or we are predicting, right? That's how I meant. And they'll wait for us at the cafe. So we've already let them know, so they are going to wait for us, right? So Julia will invite us to her birthday party. So that's also is not yet occurred. It is going to be in next month or next week, next year. The most interesting part is sentence structure. If you are understanding how to create, how to structure the sentence, you're going to speak grammatically accurate. So, subject, will, first form of the verb and object, and the negative is the same. She'll not, right? She'll not is like in simple, but she will not. So will not is a um, helping verb, negative helping verb, only helping verb is will. But when you talk about want, so you're talking more construction, right? She won't speak with you. So she will not speak with you. That's how we can use a negative. Moving to the interrogative and negative interrogative, the same, just you have to add subject after the helping verb, like will, subject, first form and object, and the same in these last two are really important. When you talk about negative interrogative, uh, it's a really interesting part to understand because some of them are informal, some of them are formal, and already I have repeated many times in my previous lessons. So want subject first form and object, but will subject not first form. Remember, informal is the most common you hear, but formal you cannot hear a lot because that's not a lot common. All right. Moving further, sentences. Affirmative, we will visit Madrid in this summer. So this summer, exactly, we are going to visit Madrid. So they are talking some of our plans, right? So that's what we think. In negative, same, we are using construction. I will not go to supermarket this weekend. I want to go to supermarket this weekend. That's how we structure. And interrogative, now it will be more easy to understand. Will he play or will he buy gift for you? Will he pay for you? Any sentence you can create with will he, will she, will I, right? It doesn't matter if you are more than one people, you can always use will because there's only one helping verb. The most easy sentence or most easiest tense for you. Negative, interrogative, want you know about them. Will they not travel to Poland? That's more polite. We already learned the structure. If you have any confusion, pause the video and feel free to comment below. And each page skip, you have to, or I'm going to swap, you're going to pause if you have any confusion and read it again and listen again. Great. Now, finally, we are going to study things we have already talked many times. Yes and no, open-ended questions. So, yes, no, we use to just say yes, no with answer without giving any reason. Somebody saying, "Will you marry him?" or "Will you come to visit me?" Yes and no, that's it. But when you say, "Why will you marry him? When will you marry him? How will you marry him?" Right? So it is really important. So that's type of questions are called open-ended questions. That's how we already learn, where you always see why, where, how, what, These are the starting before the helping verb. So that's a simple example I have wrote for you. Pause and listen or pause and repeat by yourself. It'll be great. And create your own sentences. It's much easier to understand if you're a beginner. Now is the first exercise. You have to pause and try to complete these four sentences and try to reorganize or rewrite the correct sentence. So I have just uh, tried to change the place of each word. I have added a slash for you are going to complete exercise. Try to pause and do that and type below in the chat. That'll be good practice for you. In the second exercise, again, you are going to pause and try to fill in the blanks. I promise that you help you with your project tomorrow. B, if you leave me now, you will catch. I just told you one of them. Very simple. A simple practice make you better. So third exercise, you're going to write a paragraph about your plan for the summer vacation because it's just almost finishing of April and next month is May. So you have only 2 months or maybe something like that. You're going to get vacation for summer. So you can write using present simple to practice, and it will be great to have writing skill practicing too. Finally, you're going to describe pictures. I edit for you two picture. In the first picture, I have added for you some vocabularies. If you take a look of them, uh, most of the vocabularies I have added for you. Still, you would like to add your own vocabularies and try to describe this picture and try to pretend you are there. So, how do you do that? That will be great for you. Pause the video and try it again. Lastly, we are having describe a picture by predicting what will happen and how, or whatever it is. Like you have to describe yourself. You have to just describe that you are there as a student and you are doing some activities and drawing, writing, something like that. That's how it is going to finish. Again, I suggest you to pause video and start doing that. Lastly, I would say thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate and feel free to like, share, subscribe for getting more videos and more English lessons. Don't forget to contact us for further questions. And love you guys. See you in the next our lesson.